Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to show you guys how to install Elementor Pro without purchasing any player package online. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step method of achieving that. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create the WordPress SDK using SAM, and then you download the WordPress SDK from WordPress.org so that you can have the ability to create the WordPress website. Now, as I've already logged into the panel, to the admin panel of my WordPress website. Now, as you can see, here is my WordPress admin panel. Now, the next thing to do is to get the Elementor Pro by going to Telegram. Here, I've already, before you open any WordPress applications, remember that you are going to download your XAMPP control panels. You can get it online. Just search XAMPP download on Google. So you are going to see the link that is going to show you step-by-step method of downloading the XAMPP. Once you download the XAMPP, you install it on your system. Then you run the XAMPP control panels, and then you start the Apaches and you start the MySQL as well. Then the next thing, after starting the Apaches and the MySQL, the next thing is to go to your browsers and type localhost / your folder's name. You know, every source has its own folder's name. The localhost is a general name for the XAMPP. Is a general name for the XAMPP because we build this particular website locally without buying domain names, without hosting it or at any hosting website. We build this particular website locally using XAMPP. So now, after you start up the Apaches and the MySQL, the next thing for you is to go to the browsers and load the web applications. Type local WordPress. The name of my folders here is WordPress 1. That is my source folder's name. So I want to log into my admin panels now. So here is the address. Just press localhost / WordPress 1 / wp-login.php. So it's going to redirect you to the login page of your admin panel. So I just to enter your admin username and then your password of the admin as well. Just log in. So once you log into your admin panel here, the next thing is to install the plugins as well. So before you want to install the plugins for the Elementors, remember that our aim and objective of this tutorial is to install an Elementor Pro without purchasing the package online. Now, to get the Elementor Pro, you need to go to Telegram and search for WordPress hacks. So here is the channel group. Then the next thing to do is to come here and search for Elementors Pro. Then you click on enter. So now you see a lot of this is the search result. You can see the place where Elementors is highlighted. So you click the place. So once you click the place, you're going to locate it inside the channel. Then you scroll down. You can see the Elementors Pro zip file. Then you click on download. I've already downloaded the Elementor Pro before. Now you can see how I get the Elementor Pro access. So the next things for you now is to install the Elementor Pro into your website. Now you go to your admin. This is your come down here, you click on plugins. So once you click on your plugins, so the next thing to do is to click on add new plugins. So after loading this page, so either you click on add new here, or you click here, then you add it again. You see add new at the top of the results. You can see you click on add new here, or you click on add new directly from the plugin sections. You know that there is some menus under plugins. So there is some menu under plugins. So now if you click on plugin, you see the add new. Just click on add new, then you install the Elementor Pro. So now by clicking that, remember that you already downloaded the Elementor Pro before on Telegram. You can still get any other source from this particular channel. You can get different kind of plugins that a lot of people are posted in this very channels. You can see a lot of plugins that it is free of charge. You can see maybe like cash flow plugins. You can see finance. You can see themes. You can see so many other things there apart from the Elementor Pro. But remember, so our aim and objectives of this project, of this website, is to what? Is to install the Elementor Pro. So that is our objectives. So now you click on upload plugins here, then you locate downward, then you click on choose file. So once you click on choose file, there will be an open dialog saying that you should upload your source. So you click on the Elementor Pro here. You click on Elementor Pro here, then you click on install. So now the system will be rolling until the Elementor Pro installed. So after it is installed, then you can have the ability to get the access of the lock element or lock widget that is there before. You can now have the access to open it and use it for your website. So now the system is now uploading the plugins. Now you can see uploading plugins from the uploaded Elementor Pro. So you are uploading the Elementor Pro so that you can see how everything is working perfectly. You can see how everything is working perfectly. So using Elementor is an editor whereby you can make use of this to create a perfect or a beautiful website, because Elementor itself has a lot of widgets that you can make use of. Inside the Elementors, inside the Elementors it consists so many widgets. A widget like a plugins, a blog widget, a WooCommerce widget, and a lot of product list widgets, and a lot of things like that. That is what the Elementor is. You can see that the blog is saying that this plugin is already installed, because in these folders, in these WordPress SDK, in this application, I've already installed I've already installed the WordPress Pro before. Now to check if I've already installed it before, you go to locate install plugins, so that you can see that I've already installed and activate the Elementor Pro. So now the system is not loading. So the system is now loading. So now I can locate the install plugins now. You can see the Elementor Pro. I've already installed it and activated it. Now to check the activated Elementor Pro, so you click on the website. Then after you click on edit with Elementors to check if the Elementors Pro is installed. If you are having the access to get the widgets that is being locked. So now you click on visit my site, then you click on the home page of my website. So now I want to edit this page with Elementors. So I want to test maybe the Elementor Pro plugins installed, because if the Elementor Pro doesn't install, you have the ability to get some kind of widgets in our editing sections. So now let's get it there. Let's get to the Elementors editor to determine if the Elementor Pros have been installed or not. So now the system is now loading to show the editing sections. So that editing sections, we call it Elementor editors. Now the system is still loading the editing sections. Just wait a moment. Just wait a moment. The Elementor is still running. So now these are the editing sections of the Elementors. Now let's check maybe the Elementor Pro have been installed. So you can see the Pro sections here. Before there is this kind of element is being locked before, but since that we now install the Elementor Pro, everything about the elements under the project are activated. Now you can now make use of these elements for the website. So that is how you can get the Elementor Pro for free. I hope you understand the concept and the method that you are going to use to install the Elementor Pro. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and activate the notifications on this channel so that you can see this kind of videos